Are you considering or preparing for a career in accounting and you're worried about the language and vocabulary applied when working in the accounting office? Do you need to understand accounting in terms of numbers, ratios, financial statements, and calculations, but you're struggling to achieve this? Or are you a non-native English student who's aiming to get an undergraduate degree in business and an MBA in the future and needs familiarity with the language of business and accounting? Or do you currently work in the business world and want to improve your English language business skills? Well, if you answered yes to any of these questions, then this is the course for you, because I will teach you to improve in the language of business English, English for accounting. In this course, I will teach you essential vocabulary and phrases, and you'll be learning over 100 accounting words and phrases. The course contains numerous lectures and activities designed for efficient, easy, and accessible learning. You will learn in a variety of fun and engaging ways, because I think learning is more effective when you're actually doing something. You'll understand trends, the numbers, the equations, and the ratios of accounting. And you'll understand the more complex mechanisms of accounting, such as depreciation, taxation, international accounting, which are all very much simplified in this course. And you will learn the language of the accounting office in terms of communication and interpersonal skills. The course has all of this and so much more. To introduce myself, my name is Aidan Toomey. I'm a professional business English language teacher with 20 years international corporate world experience and a bachelor's degree in communications. I'm also a native English speaker from England with TEFL qualifications. So, if you're ready to start learning, take the first step to improving your business English, English for accounting, please click the Enrol button, or if you need more time to decide, then watch the free preview videos, and I hope to see you on the course.